Famous Cyber Amos. All things tech.
Alright, so here is CachyOS installer. You see Limine, which is from CachyOS, and GRUB, which is a general one. I will choose GRUB, and here I will just do a normal erase disk. Then here you'll see there are many customization available. You don't have to do anything. I will choose Genome because it is the most used in Linux. And here is the default packages, which I will leave it as it is. And here we'll just put in whatever I need, and that's it. Install. Alright, so now here comes the issue where it gives you this error. I've tried this many times, and many times I get this error or this error here. So now if you try to change anything in the erase disk or anything else, it doesn't work. There is another error. I can't even install Bazzite, so I'm not going to use any of this OS because I don't want to troubleshoot everything. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Below is my previous videos, to the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is my playlist for different topics in different playlists. You can check that out for my previous and future videos that is to come. So thank you for watching. Famous Cyber Amos signing out.